This is the story of our internship at BP3MI Jawa Timur, a place where we discover and learn many new things, especially about Indonesian migrant workers. As you can see, we start the day with a routine morning briefing with our internship supervisor. This routine is done to train us in public speaking and train our listening skill in various things around us. In this activity, we discuss many things, starting from our daily experiences, phenomena in nature, to discussion about international relations. Of course, we also learn to exchange ideas and express opinion with each other. In addition, we also practice our public speaking skill through OPP activities. OPP is a mandatory briefing for Indonesian migrant workers before departing abroad. Therefore, we try to provide useful information for them such as tips on overcoming culture shock, being aware of fraud, and tips on choosing halal food abroad. During our internship here, we are divided into several divisions such as penempatan, perlindungan, and also tata usaha. Welcome to penempatan. This is the earliest part that meets Indonesian migrant workers before leaving for abroad. Penempatan plays an important role in the process of Indonesian migrant worker placement service, especially in the document verification, document attestation, providing information to job seeker, and migrant workers placement process service. As you can see, we are assisting in the biometric recording of migrant workers through the G2G scam to South Korea. Annyeong Chingu! In this biometric process, we record all the data needed before they leave abroad. Sometimes we also do this kind of document archiving, but in our daily routine, we are tasked with helping with OPP registration, stamping files, and writing tattoo registration numbers.
We can also see how BP3MI staff perform public services. This time, we can see Mr. Junaid as the penempatan coordinator in delivering material in OPP activities. Please note, the material presented at the OPP is about various things that migrant workers need, such as workers' rights and obligations, discussion of language and customs of the placement country, discussion of employment agreements, mental development, discussion of laws and regulations, and also discussion of health. There is Mr. Ipong filling out the community satisfaction survey that will be filled out by OPP participants. This time, we also help Mr. Ipong in helping migrant workers who had difficulty filling out the survey given. You know, the survey is important as an evaluation material from BP3MI East Java on its services to the public. Thus, BP3MI can continue to improve its services to Indonesian migrant workers.
The Pelindungan section is responsible for protecting the rights of Indonesian migrant workers before departure, during employment, and after returning home. Its main duties include handling complaints, facilitating repatriation, providing legal assistance, and empowering foreign migrant workers. The presence of this section is essential to ensure that every Indonesian migrant worker can work safely and return to Indonesia with dignity.
This is one of the moments when we participate in the repatriation process carried out by BP3MI Jawa Timur. The process of repatriating the bodies of Indonesian migrant workers is facilitated from the placement country to the funeral home. In this case, the repatriation process has gone through extensive coordination so that the body can reach the family safe and sound. The Perlindungan section also hold the responsibility of empowering returning Indonesian migrant workers or Purna PMI who have completed their employment abroad. This initiative aims to ensure that former migrant workers are able to manage their finance wisely and transition smoothly into their post-migration life. On this occasion, we had the opportunity to observe one of BP3MI Jawa Timur empowerment project for Purna PMI, a local batik initiative known as Klambi Jatim, which feature eco-print batik products. Notably, the empowerment efforts are not limited to batik alone. They also include a variety of other products initiatives designed to generate sustainable income for former Indonesian migrant workers.
The next part is the Tata Usaha section. This section helps make sure that BP3MI Jawa Timur runs smoothly. In this case, the administration section is responsible for managing administration, finance, staffing, and state property. As interns, we help the office staff with different administrative tasks at BP3MI Jawa Timur. Some of these tasks include scanning files, organizing digital documents, and archiving them. We also sometimes help share information with the public through social activities, both online and offline.
As student interns, we had the opportunity to learn about BP3MI's duties outside the office by accompanying Miss Titis Wulandari to the Nganjuk District Court, where we serve as a witnesses in a human trafficking case, providing statement about recruitment, procedure, and migrant worker protection to assist the legal process and safeguard their rights.
Balai Pelayanan Pelindungan Pekerja Migran Indonesia adalah unit kerja atau kepanjangan tangan dari Kementerian Pelindungan Pekerja Migran Indonesia yang memiliki tugas untuk melayani termasuk pelayanan penempatan bagi calon pekerja migran Indonesia dan juga pelayanan pelindungan bagi pekerja migran Indonesia. Inovasi yang dibuat di BP3MI Jawa Timur adalah memberikan pelayanan secara online. Verifikasi dokumen kami lakukan secara online, jadi dari pihak customer tidak perlu datang ke kantor. Ini verifikasinya cukup bisa kami lakukan secara online. Termasuk kami memberikan atau kami sediakan tempat atau ruang tunggu yang nyaman, yang cozy, yang kami rancang seperti coffee shop. Ini berfungsi untuk memberikan kenyamanan bagi customer yang mengunjungi kantor kami. Tantangan terbesar yang dihadapi BP3MI Jawa Timur adalah masih banyaknya warga yang berproses atau berangkat bekerja ke luar negeri secara non-prosedural atau ilegal. Untuk itu, perlu kolaborasi bersama, perlu kerja bareng antara Kementerian Pelindungan Pekerja Migran Indonesia dan kementerian lain yang memiliki peran, tugas, dan fungsi di bidang pekerja migran Indonesia.
Interning at BP3MI Jawa Timur has been more than just a fulfilling academic requirement. It has been a journey of learning, growing, and connecting with a larger purpose. Throughout our time here, we were introduced to the multifaceted work of migrant workers' protection, from policies and regulation to service and human stories. We discovered just how crucial every step is in ensuring the safety and dignity of Indonesian migrant workers. We were encouraged to ask questions, to observe, to explore, and to truly understand the meaning behind each activity and initiative. We learned about the process of placement, the system of documentation, and how the small staff in the office can contribute to a much bigger mission. But beyond procedure and paperwork, we learn the human side of this work, engaging with future migrant workers, hearing their hope and fears, and realizing that public service means being present, listening, and offering guidance with compassion. We gained confidence as we interacted with staff, stakeholders, and the public. We sharpened our skill, both technical and interpersonal, and we saw how dedication and teamwork within an institution can make a real difference. We also witnessed the challenge of the work of labor migration continues to evolve and how digital threats, misinformation, and exploitation require vigilance, innovation, and strong collaboration. Being part of this institution, even just for a short time, has opened our eyes to the value of integrity, professionalism, and empathy in government service. To the entire team at BP3MI Jawa Timur, thank you for welcoming us, mentoring us, and inspiring us. Your work, your spirit, and your passion have left a lasting mark on us. This internship was not just a chapter in our studies. It has become a meaningful part of our growth and a reminder that wherever we go next, we carry the lessons and values we learn here. Once again, thank you BP3MI Jawa Timur for everything. See you again and the paths of service, of care, and of purpose.